as we walk and strive. Through the storm and through the fire we survive. When shadows steal our joy and make us sway, we find our strength in love and light our way. Every step we take is guided by the stars. In the darkest night they tell us who we are. Mountains high and valleys low we climb as one. With every dawn a new day's just begun. Rise above the clouds, let your spirit soar high. Through the pain and doubt, we're reaching for the sky. Voices joined in harmony, our hearts aligned. In the chorus of the brave, the light we find. In the ashes of defeat, we find a spark. In the moments of despair, light breaks the dark. With the fire in our souls, we won't retreat. Together we will rise, together we will greet. Echoes ring of triumphs past, oh hear